All right, here we have our key to a Hyundai, and it's just a remote, but it has this little slot up here. So you can either take like a dime or a penny, something like that, or a thin key. The key that came with the car does not fit inside of the slot there. So you can, I would use a penny because then you don't chew up the edges of it as much. This one you can see has already been a little chewed up. So you'll put it in there and pop it open. These buttons are not attached to something underneath, so they will fall out, so be careful. I would hold it this way when you pop it open, just so that they don't fall out and fall under your seat. All right, once you have it open, this is what it looks like. And the battery was right in this spot here. I'm going to show you in reverse because it was difficult to get out. So to get the battery out, you have to press something from the bottom upwards here, and there is a little slot there. So I have my battery here. Oops. The battery is at 2032. So it goes up here, and you have to press it pretty firmly to get it to slide all the way in there. So to get it out, you just do it in reverse. You press from the bottom here, and then it'll pop out. And like I said, just be careful with this because the buttons on the underside are very loose and they will fall out. So once you get the battery in, then you just press this back together. Can be a little tricky getting it back, but it's back in and it works. Thank you for watching.